Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink. Okay, so the website name is brandis.com. So this is a website URL and I can also provide this website URL over the description section where you guys will access easily. And this is a website dashboard. So before the started we can do some research about this site. So according to HREF the domain rating is 48 and according to Moj they don't have enough data. Okay, and if we can check this website traffic, so according to SimilarWeb this website having a zero traffic. So I don't have idea to what about this things, because if you can check this website authority is 48, but if we can see this website don't have any traffic, I think that would be the not exact data. Okay, so we can ignore these things. So how we can list our businesses in this site? So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the sign up button and you can scroll something. There you guys will fill your personal details. There you can add your email address. Then you guys will choose your password and then you guys will select anything and you can acknowledge the terms and condition. Then you can click on the register button. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. And after you can click on the add listing and you can select a free plan and there we can start a listing. So first thing, you guys will select your category. So our category is employment, so let me select and there you can add your main targeted keyword. So your title should be the Jobma AI powered virtual interviewing platform. Yeah, I guess that would be the best. Interview better and faster with AI, so let me use this interview. Okay, and there we can use a short description. So short description should be Jobma AI powered. I guess this is the same things. So trusted by, okay, so what things, so let me use this and there we can add a long description. So long description is this. And this is a long description, but this is not aligned with the format, so let me use the shortest version. And if you're wanting to include your profile with your listing, so you can either you can ignore these things. So military discount, senior discount, so I think we can ignore these things. Organization is Jobma, so there you can add your company name and this is your address. So Mintonka, Minnesota, and there we can add our address. We can select our city is Mintonka, so the city is Mintonka, and there we can add our postal code if you wanting, so you can add your latitude and the longitude as well. So let me search if I have a latitude and the longitude. So let me the find latitude and the longitude finder. You can use any of tool, and there you can paste your address, then you can found your latitude and the longitude. Bot detected. What the fuck. I guess this site is not working, so let me use the another one. So this is a latitude. Let me paste here, and the longitude is this. Yeah, and if you wanting, so you can mention your open hour. There you can add your phone number, and there you can add display your which email you wanting to display. So this is a sales email, so we can display this, and there you can add your social channels, your LinkedIn, your Twitter, your Instagram. And if you wanting, so you can attach any attachment, so there I can attach my company logo. And after that, once you guys will complete all the things, then you can click on the submit a listing. So you can see our listing is submitted, so simply you can click on the return to my account page. Click on the listings, and this is your listing. If you're wanting to make any changes, so you can do editing from there. And if you can click on this, then you will found your landing page URL. So this is a landing page URL, and you can scroll something. So this is your company name, your category, contact businesses, this is your social channels, and this is your title, and this is a short description. At the right now the map feature are not working, but overall this is the option. This is the business listing on this site, how you will list your businesses on this site. Okay, so overall this is the process. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.